Hi everyone, this is a Novum sewing machine. Novum is a straight stitch sewing machine, heavy duty as well, very sturdy and in perfect condition. So I'm going to be showing you how to thread this sewing machine today. You get your thread, your spool, drop it there, bring it here. This is the first guide, and bring it down. Let it pass in between the tension disc. Yeah, bring it up into the tension disc. Can you see that? Then bring it down and pass it under the tension spring. The tension spring. That's it in the tension spring. Let me bring my camera close to it. You see it in the tension spring. That's it, picking up the spring. And bring it upwards. Up. Up and into this. Take up lever. Pull it. And bring it into. Let it pass through that eyelet. Another thread guide. Then the last one near the needle area. The last one near the needle area. Have you seen it? That's the last one there. Then you thread from the left to the right. You thread this machine from the left to the right. From the left to the right. So let me do this off the camera because it takes time for me to thread through the needle of the eye. So from the left, you see the needle, the thread from the left to the right. Then bring your hand wheel down to pick the bobbin thread. That's the bobbin thread coming out. Take the bobbin thread, and then we are ready to sew. Yes, and we are ready to sew now. So